Got more beer? You chugged it, didn't you?
I finished it. What's going on, guys? Brandon here with TMG today. It's actually probably the coldest morning of the year here in Knoxville. What are we going to do? Fire up the Santa Maria grill. Why? We have the Griddle God. I mean, Flat Top King, right?
That's right. That's right.
Come to find out, he's from Knoxville just like us. He got himself a Santa Maria 48-inch Santa Maria grill here today. We did a custom griddle top on it, but we're going to let this be an option so you can get one or two, okay? He also has a burn box we're using here, putting off a lot of heat for this chilly morning, getting warmed up here. But today we're actually going to cook on it. He's going to cook lunch for the guys here in the shop. Great treat. He's done for us a few times now, but today he actually gets to use one of our machines. So what are we cooking today?
We're doing sausage, peppers, onions, a little marinara, a little toasted bun, all melted with some provolone cheese. Utilize all the features and the functions of this Santa Maria grill. Can't wait.
Let's do it.
We're just getting the vegetables prepped, chopped, ready to go. Like, you know, on a griddle, everything happens fast, so it's very important to get all your ingredients ready to go. Just add some marinara to a pan, just utilizing the griddle for that heat. We'll be able to melt this right over top with those peppers and onions.
Guys, as you can see, our burn box here is starting to burn some of these logs down the coal. So what we're going to do is we're going to shovel some over to where we're going to throw these sausage links right here. So kind of cool, kind of primitive way to cook. Do enjoy it because it is a challenge, so makes a lot of fun.
We just got some sweet Italian sausage and some hot Italian sausage. We're just going to put them over these coals right here to warm them up, get a little coal flavor right before we move them to the griddle. All right, our sausages have warmed up nicely. They've adhered a little bit of smoke. That's what I was hoping for. Just utilizing the Santa Maria. Our griddle's up to temp. We're just going to be rotating these back and forth. As that fat renders out of the sausage, we're able to put the peppers and onions on there to absorb all that flavor as well.
We got the griddle a little hot. Mr. Flat Top King here said that he didn't think the griddle was hot enough until we put the sausage on it and realized it was hot. So
we got all that grease left over them sausages. We just moved off to the side so they can continue to cook. Adding these vegetables will cool down your griddle. And if you notice, the great thing about this Santa Maria is how they built it. It's the option to be able to move your griddle plate back and forth. Not only can you adjust it up and down, but now you can move your griddle plate left and right depending on where your fire is at. All about griddle management.
Griddle management, not fire management, griddle management. Move it up and down.
Just season these vegetables, a little all-purpose seasoning. I just taste it, I just think there's something missing.
Well, today the mountains are blue in East Tennessee.
That's right, brother. Add it to it. Got our sausages cooked. The beer's been reduced down. Just take that sausage right there. Add some provolone cheese to it. Let it kind of melt down. Got more beer? You chugged it, didn't you?
I finished it. It'll be okay. Do you need more?
No. That steam right now would help it. Look, we got the peppers wilted down from all that beer and all that flavor. We just got them separated from the side. We toasted some buns. Now we're just gonna let that cheese melt right before we add that sauce to combine it all together. Your cheese melts.
Ready?
We got both rooms in?
No. You get a good picture of that right there too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay guys, we just finished up our cook today. Went pretty damn good, honestly.
Yeah.
Everything turned out great. The guys loved it. They love getting fed here. I mean, great food. So what was your opinion on everything, how it turned out?
I think the first time you use any piece of equipment, you always learn something new. You definitely think that you have live fire in a griddle, which is absolutely, I think, fantastic. The ability to raise and lower the grate is what you expect, but what we didn't expect today was now we have the ability to move the griddle left and right the way they've got it fabricated, and I think, to me, that's the game changer. Not only are you going up and down, you're going left and right, and that's obviously going to depend on what you're cooking, but I say bravo Zulu. I mean, that's fantastic.
Yeah, I didn't notice you took our fire poker today and you were moving it. Where'd it go? That's not a big deal. That'll work too. You were moving it left and right. And that way, I mean, honestly, at one point you wanted half this hotter, half that cooler, so you put it where you split the fire we had built. So kind of worked out kind of good for you. I didn't really think about that on the cooking aspect. I was just thinking you could position it to get go. I wasn't thinking about in the middle of the cook that you could be moving around. So that worked. The firebox or the burn box worked pretty well.
Yeah.
Multiple times we would shovel coals out of it to kind of change the temperature of the fire. So, and the food was, like I said, it was fantastic. So
I appreciate that.
From all of us at TMG, all the guys here, Hayes, we thank you for that because you fed the guys today, so they're going to be happy now. But until next time, thanks, guys.